alone, let me not alone. I am not alone. I know that you want me to never.
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get 3 wigs in one by simply replacing the closure of frontal that's already on your wig and re-zipping a new closure of frontal onto your wig, so you don't have to get a new wig when you want to change your styles. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, you got to keep watching. It's insane. So thank you so much ISEE for sponsoring this video. I've worked with this company a couple times before, but today we are doing their Designed by ISEE Block Wig, and it's a lot to unpack in this video, so we got to get to it. And as you guys see here, this is just a little breakdown of what you're getting. So they're literally giving you everything that you may need to replace damaged lace, replace the color, the length, and lace size. So they're already providing you with all of these things to interchange your lace if you want to go from frontal to closure or even color. And they're providing all of this for you. So this is Block B that already comes with the Block R, and these are the other 2 replaceable Block Rs. So I'm going to unbox the first one for you. This is the complete block wig. So this comes with a Block R and a Block B. Now, as you can see, this is an HD colored wig already. And this is the 5x7 HD lace, as you saw on the box. And it's a straight 26-inch wig. Super seamless. It's already pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. So you don't have to do anything. They have these curvages on the ear, so it's nice and comfortable. And of course, your elastic bands and your combs for extra security. Now let's get to the second Block R. Now this is a 9x6 skin lace. So you're gonna see with this one is just the attachment. This is what you're gonna replace the other closure with. So this one is already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut as well. But you can see this zipper right here. This is what you're going to replace and interchange those different styles with. So as you can see, the vibe is simply just changing your hair in one wig. So you can go from HD lace to HD skin lace and color to all black if you want. So this is the third Block R piece. This is the 13x6 HD lace frontal, and this is the last and third attachment that you get in this whole collection. So as you guys can see, this one is not pre-cut or anything, but it's a frontal and it's a whole new hairstyle. It's a 26-inch lace frontal that you can add if you want to do half up, half down. And as you guys can see, we still have that zipper on this one, so you can easily replace this with the closures on the Block B. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace all of the closures and frontals and interchange them. And now this is some extra things they gave us in our box. Of course, we need our wig cap if you're gonna be doing your frontal and so forth, some extra combs, a bonnet, elastic band, and edge bands. So let's get into this install. So I was still deciding if I wanted to go with the black or the blonde for my night out. I ended up just going with the first 5x7 HD closure that was already on the wig and just installing it because I did want color this night, but I honestly didn't know how I was gonna feel about these highlights. But this is how it looked when I first put it on. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead with my hot comb and flatten out those roots, and I'm going in with my bronzer just so it can blend in nice and flawlessly with my makeup. And I really didn't even have to do too much with that. The lace was already really thin and it blended really well, but you know, the bronzer just makes it look nice and perfected. But I went ahead with my flat iron and just smoothed out my tresses just so I can get a good general idea of how my hair would look if I decided to go with this look. But y'all, I cannot get over the fact that this is really a 3-in-1, depending on your mood, whether you want black hair or some highlights like we have right here. And the ball is literally in your court. This was a cute little situation, but this was not my vibe for the night. So I was changing my mood. I wanted to do black, so I'm just showing you guys how simple it is for you to remove Block R from Block B. And I'm gonna go more into detail installing the other Block R onto Block B, but I'm just showing you guys how quick and efficient this technique is. So once I did that simple 3-step process, unzip, undo the Velcro, and undo the little clamp, this is Block B ready to be replaced with a Block R again. So now we're going in with the 9x6 HD skin lace. You don't have to bleach or pluck or cut any of this lace, but here I'm just showing you guys Block R and Block B, and we are about to combine these together to make a whole new wig. So this is the clamp I was talking about. We're gonna clamp block R to block B and connect the Velcro, and then we are going to make sure that's nice and locked. We're going to take the zipper from block B and connect it to block R and just zip it down seamlessly, super flat, thin, comfortable, and you have a whole new wig just like that. And I'm not gonna lie, you would think that this wig would be super bulky and uncomfortable because it has this zipper in the inside. You have these clips and all of these bands to make sure that you have this nice snug fit on your head. Absolutely not, y'all. This was probably one of the most comfortable and just durable wigs that I've tried on. And you can really tell that they thought this new technology out thoroughly. So you would think, I'm putting something out into the market, it's a game changer, no one has ever seen this before, and it's different. We're just gonna put something together and just say, okay, we're different from everybody else. But no, I feel like they actually sat there and had to think about, how are we gonna make a frontal wig to a closure wig and still have it nice and comfortable on a person's head? And also, how is it going to fit if your head size is not the same as another buyer's head? You're able to adjust this wig from the bottom, also with the adjustable straps. The combs are super comfortable, and I just feel like everything would just start out perfectly. So shout out to them for thinking about this. And the only thing I don't really like about this wig is that I didn't think about this idea myself. So I'm just gonna continue styling my hair with these nice undone curls for the night, and I'm just gonna let y'all vibe out to the music for a few, and then we're gonna get to the final results.
I really thought it was love, but just a whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny little, bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch, and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my boots, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my boots, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back.
All right, so before we get back to the music, I just wanted to show y'all this skin lace. Y'all, this looks like my leave out. This looks like a real scalp. So I didn't have to do anything to this like I told y'all, but that is actually insane how good that looks. So anyways, I'm just going in with my finishing touches. Y'all are just gonna see me perfect my little baby hair in the front, flatten out my edges a little bit more, add more hairspray, and also cut more layers into this hair. I was rushing, like I said, so I wish these curls would have lasted just a little bit longer. I tried to add hairspray to make up for that, but it was so humid outside, these curls did not stand a chance. But they were super cute. It lasted for a couple of hours, and that was that. But maybe if I go in with some flexi rods and also cut more layers towards the back, I felt like it would have felt even better. But that's okay, we still made it work. But this is pretty much the end result of my install. I didn't install the frontal in this video just because I wanted to wear a closure. I typically do not wear frontals, and I just don't like that on my head. So I did not install that in this video. If I was, I would have got it professionally done, but until I perfect that, y'all will not be seeing me install a frontal that I have to cut and do all of that stuff too. So other than that, this was my final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in this wig, make sure you check out the description box below. I will have all the coupons, descriptions on this hair, and also other things from ISEE's site. But I am so happy I finally got to review this wig. Like, they did their thing, especially with this 9x6 lace. You could do a side part, middle part, other side, half up, half down. But this wig is a game changer, so make sure you check it out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Baby mama.